Welcome back. Well, Brandon Nelson just showed us the great dough bags and the Fire Within firewood bags, and they're made in America. And Ajith, I tell you what, you have taken me to that place where these bags are made. Very fine craftsmanship. Where are we? And who's this guest?
We are at American Made Apparel here in Colorado, and this is the owner of American Made Apparel company, Sunny Kim.
And Sonny, as I understand, Ajith came to you with a project. I would like to make an insulated dough bag. You did the research to find out the materials and the qualities that were necessary, and you were able to make his dough bag. Is that right?
That's correct. We did do some extensive research on what's going to hold the temperature, and he's even going through some scientific measurements to figure out how long it retains that temperature. So we've done some due diligence on finding the right materials for this.
And this is just a small sample of the many things that you're capable of. You also made his firewood bag. Maybe not as complex, but still it had to be durable, and you researched the materials and found what worked.
Correct. So again, it has to be able to hold a certain amount of weight and not be able to splinter or break apart easily. So all those things are kept in mind as we research.
Now I see you have many sewers here busy behind us. I see part of the firewood bag here. They're in the assembly process, but you do much more than just firewood bags and dough bags. You also do apparel. Is that right?
Correct. A lot of it is made to order, so our customers might come to us with a need, and we custom make their patterns and their first samples, and from the point of being approved, we go to mass manufacturing.
And from there, if they can dream it, you can figure it all out, patterns and colors and sizes, etc.
Yes, we do help with consultation to just make everything flow efficiently and make it a product that they really like, of course, first and foremost, and make it run efficiently on our production floor.
Now, a few examples of what you just mentioned right behind us as well. One seamstress over here sewing all cotton dresses, all cotton thread, and these are going to be tie-dyed custom for a customer, aren't they?
Yes, that tie-dyeing part will be customized by the customer, but she
Right.
came to us with a need like that, and that's what we're doing for her. And as well as back here, we're doing some diaper bags. So yeah, everything is very custom.
Well, I tell you, with that said right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there, I know they have needs. Maybe it's a corporate need. Maybe they want corporate apparel. You can come up with a basic shirt, and from there they can have a blank canvas to create whatever they want. Is that right?
That's correct. Yes, very much so.
Now, what is the best way for them to learn more about all the services that you offer? Do you have a website?
Yes, we have a website at www.americanmademfg.com. And if they go there and browse, they could find some basic information about what we provide.
Easy enough. Sonny, thank you so much for being on.
All right, thank you so much.